Master the art of leading questions in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating topic of leading questions. We'll focus on the aspect of employing suggestive language and tone within leading questions. This is a powerful tool that can steer conversations and make your English more persuasive and engaging. Let's get started. Leading questions are those questions that subtly guide the respondent towards a particular answer. These questions are commonly used in various situations, such as in courtrooms, classrooms, sales, and everyday conversations. What makes them special is their ability to suggest a particular answer in the way they're framed. Here is an example of a leading question. You enjoyed the party last night, didn't you? The question suggests that the person being asked should have enjoyed the party. Using suggestive language is one of the key strategies in formulating leading questions. Suggestive language can include implying the desired response, offering limited choices, or providing additional context that can direct the respondent towards a certain answer. For example, you prefer coffee over tea, right? This question implies that the speaker believes the respondent likes coffee more, offering limited choices for the answer. The way we express our questions can greatly influence the answer. That's where tone comes into play. A rising tone at the end of the sentence often indicates that you are asking a question, while a falling tone might suggest that you are making a statement, which could subtly suggest an answer. Consider these examples. We're meeting at 6 p.m., aren't we? Versus we're meeting at 6 p.m., aren't we? The first sentence, with a rising tone, is an open question, while the second, with a falling tone, feels more like a confirmation of the fact, subtly guiding the listener to agree. Practice is essential to master the art of leading questions. Try to come up with your own leading questions in your daily life, using suggestive language and tone. Pay attention to how others respond to them. Remember, the key is to guide the conversation subtly and respectfully. That wraps up our lesson on leading questions in English, with a focus on employing suggestive language and tone. Remember, leading questions can be powerful tools, but they should be used ethically and respectfully. Happy learning and keep practicing. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey in the next video.